What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Late Night Super Challenge 2. We got a dog treat. We got dogs up there ready to bite my head off. We're gonna go tame them real quick. Let's go.
Who's a good girl? Oh, he's another good girl.
Another successful challenge. Like, subscribe for more dog content. Woo!